Understanding, I'm feeling buzzed, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase you might come across in casual conversations. I'm feeling buzzed. This idiom can be a bit tricky for English learners, so let's break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in context. So, let's get started. When someone says, I'm feeling buzzed, they're referring to a light feeling of intoxication. It's that stage where you've consumed alcohol and start to feel its effects, but you're not heavily intoxicated. This phrase captures a specific moment of beginning to lose sobriety, characterized by a slight euphoria, increased sociability, or a sense of relaxation. Importantly, being buzzed is not the same as being drunk. It's more about a gentle lift in spirits or mood. The term buzzed comes from the word buzz, which has been used for centuries to describe a low, continuous humming or murmuring sound. Over time, it evolved to metaphorically describe the feeling of being slightly under the influence of alcohol, as if there's a light buzzing in your head. It's a common phrase in informal settings among friends or at social gatherings. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples of how I'm feeling buzzed can be used in sentences. After a couple of glasses of wine, I started to say, I'm feeling buzzed. I should probably stop here. You seem really happy and talkative all of a sudden. Yeah, I'm feeling a bit buzzed. At the party, someone might ask, how are you feeling? And you could respond, I'm feeling buzzed but still in control. It's important to note that discussions about alcohol and its effects can be sensitive and vary greatly across different cultures. Being aware of this context is crucial when using or encountering the phrase, I'm feeling buzzed. In some social circles, it's a light-hearted way to communicate one's state, while in others, it might be considered inappropriate. Always consider the setting and the company when using idioms related to alcohol consumption. There you have it. Now you know what it means when someone says they're feeling buzzed, and how to use the phrase appropriately. Remember, understanding idioms is a key step in mastering the nuances of the English language. We hope this video has been informative and adds to your growing knowledge of English expressions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video, and keep practicing.